I
I, Brad Pigott,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
or affirm
that
that I will faithfully support
I will faithfully
the
support
Constitution of the United
the
States
Constitution of the United
and the
States
Constitution of the State of Mississippi,
and the Constitution of the State
and
of
obey the laws
Mississippi,
thereof,
and obey the laws thereof,
that I am not disqualified
that I am not
from
disqualified
holding the office
from holding the
of
office
School District 4,
of School District 4,
School Board 4
School Board
of the
4
County of
of
Lauderdale
the County of
in
Lauderdale
said state,
in said state,
that I will faithfully discharge
so that I will faithfully
the
discharge
duties of the office
the duties of the office
which I'm about to enter,
which I am about to enter.
so help me God.
So help me God.
I, Josh Thompson,
Do solemnly
do
swear
solemnly
or
swear
affirm
and affirm
that I will faithfully support
that I will faithfully
the
support
Constitution of the United States
the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the State of Mississippi.
the Constitution of the State of Mississippi.
Okay, and a hug.